What's up, besties? I'm back with another tutorial, and it's really no shade. Shout out to Junoda Hair for sending me this bust down. And y'all need to watch my video all the way through so y'all can see how I got this slay. Anyways, Junoda Hair sent me this curly wig. I've been styling curly wigs all summer. So it's like, day by day, I'm trying to find different ways to style all these curly wigs. But today, we came up with something real cute. Zigzag part, crazy baby hairs, space buns, short cut bob. And we just gave what it gave, no shade. This lace was transparent, 24 inches, 13 by 4. And I love this wig, it was so cute. Transparent lace just melts on Zari's skin. Like, I don't know, like, transparent look like HD on Zari, and it's no shade. I put a little bit of lace tint on there, but I'm starting to move away from HD lace. I really prefer transparent lace because that's the type of lace that you can use over and over and over. Them HD wigs, girl, don't bring them HD wigs to me more than twice, okay? Transparent though, it's more durable, it lasts longer. So I really was excited to slay this wig. It's no shade. You guys already know I'm using my boho lemon burrs to lay this wig down. I did put some lace tape on the sides of her wig, but she don't leave her wigs on that long. So I was like, let me not do a whole install with the tape, because I might take it out next week, no shade. But because I'm doing ponytails and there's going to be tension being pulled up, I wanted the sides of the lace to be secured, so it's really no shade. You know, I just apply that glue 3 to 4 layers until it's dry clear, and then apply that wig on. And you want to make sure you apply the wig just on the glue. Don't put it too far up and don't put it too far back. You guys know I like to go back and forth from cool air to warm air just to make sure that lace is dry and not sticky before I tie it down. And once I tie it down, that's when you start the melt process. And after that, you just cut the lace off. Try to use eyebrow razors. Scissors are too sharp and it's hard to get a zigzag motion with scissors. Once all that lace is cut off and I'm done doing my finishing touches, now I gotta go in and pull out these baby hairs. Y'all, everybody knows I hate doing middle swoops. I never really do middle baby hairs. I like to do my 2 corners and my 2 sideburns and call it a day. But she showed me a picture. She kind of wanted it like how Arrogant Tay be doing it on Ari. So I was like, I guess I'm doing the middle swoop today. But it actually came out cute. It's still not my fave, but it was cute. Y'all already know hot combing is my favorite part. Every video I tell y'all to go get y'all a fresh hot comb and hot comb that frontal. Some of y'all just put the wig on and just go. Like, no, you gotta style it. You gotta make sure it's flat. You gotta make sure it's giving up. Hot combs are non-negotiable. Get it together, ladies. I wish I could have got better angles of me trying to do the zigzag, but I redid the zigzag part like 3 different times. Very difficult, very confusing, not a fave to do, but we made it work. In the end, I could have did the parts wider, but I don't know. I don't know. Zigzag parts are hard to do, and I probably won't never do it again. Curl your baby hairs, especially if you're a beginner. It makes it 20 times easier. When I first started, I never curled my baby hairs, and I used to have the ugliest baby hairs. It used to take me 20 hours to get one baby hair to lay how I wanted it to lay. Once I started curling them, it was just so easier and quicker to get the job done. It lays better. Go get you a mini flat iron, and don't get them thick bulky ones because those can burn your client face. Get the skinny pencil one. No shade. So for this tutorial, I decided to do edge control baby hairs just because they're a little bit more softer and they're not as stuck to the face, but they're a little bit harder to lay with edge control. So what I decided was I added a little bit of mousse. I mixed it with the edge control, and then it started to lay how I needed it to lay. No shade. And I actually like the look of it. Like, it gives, I don't know, it just gives like it's not stuck to the face. It looks like a real baby hair. But the baby hairs do not last long when you use edge control. So if you will grow that like your baby hairs to stay in place, use hairspray, use gel. But the edge control gave like a cute soft look. But it was aggravating to use, no shade. This hair was 24 inches, and we did decide to cut it really short. Actually, I decided, because if it was up to Zara, she would have just kept it long. But me, I'm trying to get these girls into like the editorial bobs. So I'll be cutting right by the earlobe. Like, you know, I'll be wanting the shorter the better, because I just feel like that's couture. So at first they weren't really feeling these short looks, but she'll get over it. All the girls will get over it, because I'm rocking bobs all summer. I don't know if I'm just not coordinated or what, but it took me like 100 tries to get these buns to look like sisters. They wasn't even twins. Shit, they wasn't even sisters. They probably was cousins. I could not get these buns to match to save my life. I don't know what's wrong with me. Maybe I teased one side more than the other. But anyways, get into these baby hairs. I put my back into it, you know. She's really particular about her baby hair, so I had to make sure I came hard for the Zara the Barbie. This is her fighting me, trying to cut this hair. You know, I don't know. It's just like the bougie girls love long hair. And for me, it's like, girl, it's okay to rock a bob. It's summertime. Like, get over it. So I just started cutting that shit. It's like, girl, you got to just get over. Look at her. She fought me the whole entire time. And it came out so cute. Such a hater. And this is pretty much the finished product. I'm just going in, adding my little touches, adding a little mousse to the hair so it can fall right. But this look was pretty cute, pretty different. Shout out to Junoda Hair. All the info for this wig will be in the description box. 13 by 4, 24 inches, transparent lace, period. Go check it out. Go shop with Junoda. They slayed. Shout out to my Zari Bard. Make sure you follow her on all her social medias. And shout out to the SBM gang. Last but not least, we almost at 6K. And pretty soon 6K gonna be 10K. So I'm really like just overwhelmed with all the support that I've been getting this year specifically on YouTube. Bye y'all.